Hi guys, I'm back, and I have a special person with me because she's like a sister. Maybe because she is.
Hello.
Today we're going to be doing night one because why not? And I don't know. Night one.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. First person. It's first person. It's like VR. I mean, not VR, but it's VR.
Yeah.
Is it weird that they call it VR? No,
Yeah, it's kind of weird to me. I really want a VR headset though.
the VR headset stuff.
Yeah, those look so cool. I really want to have one.
Oh yeah, that actually kind of scared me. I'm not kidding. That call.
It actually kind of scared me a little bit too.
So
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, it's okay. I can't stay for a long time. Yeah.
Yeah, she can't stay for a long time because the phone stuff. You know.
Yeah.
So
no, my phone's at 1%.
So
well, you know what?
If
that means I might have to go. You know what? Let me just tell you. I hope you do good. Maybe I can go into the next video if you're gonna do it tomorrow.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do one tomorrow. I'm pretty sure we are because this is my first time playing on computer. Not first time. Sorry, making a video on computer. Kind of hard.
Bye, guys.
Well, bye.
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 Okay, so she just hung up, and I'm kind of distracted. My heart is pounding right now. Maybe it's because I've done Five Nights at Freddy's before. It's not that scary to me. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna say that and I'm gonna scream or something like that. I really have never ever been extremely scared about it. Maybe it's just me. I'm actually really bored. I'm going to put the camera right here so I can... last time I played night one, things actually happened. Unlike some YouTubers that say things don't happen. I think it was before the update happened. Things do happen now on the first night. I think they just got lucky for some reason. It's glitching. Okay, they got lucky for some reason and things didn't happen. But things happen. For me. I do... The music's kind of scary. What time is it? 3 a.m. Okay. 6 more hours. I heard that each hour in the Five Nights at Freddy's universe is a minute long. 60 seconds, same thing. Look at these cabinets behind me. Those are pretty nasty. I don't know how much more I need to go. 3 more minutes, probably. The music's kind of scary. I'm going to try to do 2 nights of this to see how long it is. And maybe, I don't think the nights are that long. It's only 4 a.m. So far, the only one I have ever been jump scared in was the vent repairs. I do get jump scared in there a lot. Oh no. Wait, hold on. What's that? This side right here. There it is. I think I do know the pattern of them, where they go actually. So what is it fuzzy? It's then there to there. I did it. 6 a.m. I can relax now. No, not really. I have to do another one. Let's see. So the ones that I said I got really scared in was the vent repair with Mangle. So yeah, this is night 2. Oh yeah, there's something here. It's this thing right there. Yeah, let's go ahead and do it. This is the last one I do today. So
that's one more reason not to run out of power, right?
there he is.
I also want to emphasize the importance of using the door lights. There are blind spots in your camera view, and those blind spots have to be right outside the doors. So if you can't find something or someone on your cameras, be sure to check the door light. You might only have a few seconds to react. Not that you'll be in danger, of course. I'm not implying that. Also, check on the curtain in Pirate Cove from time to time. The character in there seems to be teaching that he becomes more active if the cameras remain off for long periods of time. I guess he doesn't like being watched. I don't know. Anyway, I'm sure you have everything under control.
Here's Bonnie.
Talk to you soon.
Chica. Close this door. She's not there yet. Let's check up on Bonnie. Where's Bonnie? I lost him. She's right there. Who's walking down? Oh no, there's Foxy. Oh, Bonnie's right there. So we can go ahead and open this. I know the stages of Foxy, I think. I know he's coming in. As soon as I open the door, are you kidding me? Chica. Where's Chica? Chica. I kind of saw him move. Gosh. It's only 2 a.m. Only 2. I need to find Chica. Where is she? Where is Bonnie actually? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that's close. There's nobody on the other side, is there? There's Foxy. I don't see anyone just yet. Bonnie, where is... Oh, I can see. Oh no. Oh, there's Chica. Go away, Chica. And tell Foxy to go away too, because I think he already went away. Yep. But I just need Chica to go. Wait a second. She's still there. Bonnie's right now. So I think I should keep that one closed. It's kind of stressful, I think. I don't think. I know it's stressful. There we go. And is Chica still there? Oh no. She's not. Okay. Nobody's coming there either. Oh no, Foxy's gonna move again. Nobody's here. Do you think Foxy still goes there when Bonnie is still there? Uh-oh. My heart is pounding. Okay. That wasn't really a jump scare. That wasn't really a jump scare because it had no music in it or anything. Well, I guess that's it, guys. Let me know if you want me to do a second part to this video. I might actually do it anyways. So tomorrow I'll be doing videos with her again. I will leave the link to her latest video in the comments if I know how. So, bye! Oh my gosh.